Inverter power limited. When the inverter power is limited, it may be that the inverter is set to zero power grid connection or limited power grid connection and the inverter output is only for the load. Two solutions are available to resolve this problem. Remote handling method. Log in to the Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. Select a plant from the navigation pane and view energy management. Select an inverter from the navigation pane and view the inverter status. Check whether active power control mode is set to zero export limitation. On the Device Management tab page, click Set Parameters. Check active power control mode. If it is set to zero export limitation, it is normal that the feed-in power is zero. In the PV-only single inverter scenario, check whether active power percentage derating is set to zero. If the value is 0, change it to 100% and check whether the fault is rectified. If the fault persists, contact O&M personnel to locate the fault on site. On-site handling method. Power off the inverter, power it on again, and check whether the fault is rectified. You can also use a mobile phone to log in to the local commissioning screen. Choose Maintenance is greater than Restore Defaults and check whether the fault is rectified. If the fault persists, contact Huawei technical support.